Our hello program was written as a .java file. You notice Eclipse, when I closed the program, compressed some of that green documentation. It's hello.java. But let's take a look at what's really going on here. We'll go to where this file was saved. We're going to find our workspace. And for me, I have to go to the C drive, users, where I am. And there's a folder, Eclipse Workspace. And inside there, I see the Hello World project. And there are two folders that are significant in here, the SRC source folder and the bin folder. Inside the SRC folder is Hello Java. Now I can open this with other text editors, such as Notepad++. And in fact, I could make edits inside here and save it, and it would be reflected anywhere, including back in Eclipse. We can open it in just regular Notepad. The .java file is really just a bunch of text that is easy for all of us to read. We could even open this in Microsoft Word. Once again, I have to hunt down the workspace, and I'll have to select all documents, not just all Word documents, but all files. There's hello.java, and we can open it and read it just fine in Microsoft Word. In fact, we could edit it in Microsoft Word. But what the Java virtual machine needs, which is installed on your computer, is a .class file. That's in the bin folder. Let's open that and take a look at it. And we can read some of this, and we can't read some of this. But the Java virtual machine reads this just fine. This is what it needs to run our program. So what happens? Well, Eclipse has a compiler. Word does not have that. Notepad++ doesn't have it. So our .java file we wrote in Java code that we could read is compiled into a .class file that, as I said, the Java virtual machine can read. That's installed on your computer, and it can make the instructions necessary for the operating system of your device, which is why we say that Java is platform independent. The Java virtual machine knows what to do for different operating systems. But it has to have a .class file, or what we call byte code. And then it can turn that into the instructions that your operating system needs. So we could type a .java file again with any text editor, but somewhere we have to have a compiler that can turn it into a .class file. Eclipse happens to have a compiler built in. So the Java virtual machine really reads the byte code, the .class file, created after the .java file is compiled.